What's up, Rock Nation? This is Buck Premo with your ROQUS tech team. Today I'm going to give you a couple tips on your ROQ SAHARA dryer. Now this is the newest version of the Sahara that has a maintenance reminder, and on the main display I'm going to go over kind of what that is and where you're going to go to do that maintenance. So let's check it out. So here with the dryer in the on position, you have a hammer and a wrench that I can tap on. So here you can see the different calendar maintenance that you need to do from 7 days all the way up to 180 days, and then what you'll be doing per maintenance cycle. And at the bottom you have a broom. Here I can clear whatever maintenance I just performed to clear it out, so it'll reset it for that next 7 days, 15, so on. Nice new feature that you guys can check out on the new ROQ SAHARA dryers.